Hello traders. This video is a continuation of Little Crazy's Expert Advisor observations. I have run this Expert Advisor from November 18, 2022 for almost 5 months and until now it is still making profits. I will discuss the update details in this video. So, don't skip and keep watching until the end. There is some information that I will convey. Among them, for those of you who have subscribed to this channel, I thank you and welcome to join the HG Trade channel. And for those of you who haven't subscribed, if you are interested in getting a free Expert Advisor every time I upload a video, you can subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss it when I upload a video. One. Preset information. This is how Little Crazy's Expert Advisor is running. Expert Advisor version 1.7 for MetaTrader 4. There are 3 pairs that I run: New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar, Australian dollar to Canadian dollar and Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. All my pairs run on the M15 time frame. There are no settings that need to be set in the Little Crazy Expert Advisor. The parameters provided are very simple, just like this preset that I use. MT4 terminal is using version 4 build 1370. The current balance has reached $1,368.81. I will show the detailed results on Myfxbook account. 2. Requirements for using EA. You can check the conditions for using your EA on that tradeea.com website. Here I have also shared this Expert Advisor for free. The best recommendations for running this Expert Advisor are 3 pairs: Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar and Australian dollar to Canadian dollar, and the best time frame on M15. Recommended leverage starts from 1 to 500. Recommended capital is at least $200. There is no preset that needs to be set for EA. For the best VPS recommendations, you need to run a VPS with ultra-low latency specifications. If you are interested, you can try this VPS trial for free. In this video I use Exness Broker. If you are interested, you can also register via the link that I have provided here. 3. Download Expert Advisor. Press the download button to download the Expert Advisor. There are 2 files that I share: the Expert Advisor file and the mshmg32.dll file. This file is my password. The password is tradeea.com. 4. MQL5 Trading Results Report. This is the information from the Developer Expert Advisor. From the MQL5 trading information, the profit that has been obtained is 1,187%. Initial deposit $200 and $509. Growth information. Trading starts from January 2021. With an annual profit of up to 200%. And until March 2023 trading is still going on. Balance information. Here we can see the history of adding deposits and withdrawals. The green color chart is the addition of a deposit, and the red color chart is the withdrawal information. Drawdown information. The biggest drawdown is 55.16%. While algo trading is 98%. Trading history. This Expert Advisor will automatically add lots based on the balance amount. We can see here, there is a commission. The broker that is used uses a broker with a low spread type. For your information, in Exness Broker there is this type. Statistical information. Total trading 433 transactions with a profit ratio of up to 80.60%. This includes a good ratio figure with transaction history from January 2021. And in combination with a high profit factor at 4.68. For the maximum consecutive loss that occurs up to 4 transactions or around $91. And the maximum win consecutively is up to 32 transactions. Trading per week is only 6 transactions with an average duration of up to 3 days. There are 3 pairs running. Risk information. As we saw earlier, drawdown can be up to 55% or there's a decrease of up to $1,200. Okay, these are the trading results that I have run from November 2022 until now. I use Exodus Broker with 1 to 500 leverage. I will run my trade on November 18, 2022. With a $1,000 deposit, profit $368.81, or a profit of around 36.88%. And there is a decrease in drawdown to 40.42%. For profit growth, you can pay attention to the increase from this chart. From $0 to $368. This is the result of 4 months plus. Information advances statistics. The profit ratio reached 84% with a total trading of 51 transactions. Get a good profit factor at 6.17. The average trade length is up to 3 days. Trading activity. The transaction lot used ranges from 0.04 to 0.05 for a trading capital deposit of $1,000. Monthly analytics. Profit in November 6th, 53%. December 4th, 43%. January 14th, 93%. February 6th %, and in March it is still running. 6. How to install EA using the Myfxbook file. I will share my method so that EA can run a little crazy. Go to your folder, install MetaTrader 4. Myfxbook32.dll file, put in the folder you installed MT4. Like this. And put the EA file in the experts folder. Like this. After that, you run the MetaTrader terminal. A little crazy expert advisor will appear in the navigator menu. Up to here I hope you can run the little crazy expert advisor. Okay, these are the results of observing the little crazy expert advisor trading that I have been running from November 2022 until now, or about 4 months more. I hope this can provide your reference. Make sure you use safe capital. Do not use loan money and emergency money. And if you are sure, you can use safe capital to run expert advisors. It should be noted that this expert advisor uses at least a minimum capital of $1,000. Thanks for watching till the end. Support this channel by clicking subscribe, clicking like and sharing. Thank you very much.